Loudmouth, get off your phone. Aaron has to do his internet content.
If our goal was to open it up and see what the damage was, we did that.
Minimum damage.
Yeah, surprisingly, a corner seal definitely went, and that's what scarred the housing, and that's what caused the motor to lose compression per se.
Yeah, not Garnet. I mean, we
still have a relatively usable setup.
Absolutely. I
But
mean, we're down one housing and a corner seal and a seal, but that seal had to be replaced anyways.
right.
Four-day parts collection. Break.
So, we made it to the junkyard.
And
our goal here today is to try to find an Rx7. Supposedly there's one somewhere.
Well, we understand there should be two, but only one with an engine.
Okay.
We want that engine.
Yeah. Let's see if we can find this. Okay, here's the Mazda section. This is a wild looking Miata.
We had fun with that.
Yeah. We're looking. You thought you saw something?
I thought.
I don't understand what's going on here.
No.
Wait. Got one. Rx7.
Here it is.
Come on, baby, give me a motor. Bingo, found a keg.
Damn. And it's already pretty much got all the stuff off of it.
Yep.
This is what we're talking about.
There's our keg right there.
Okay. So we got everything that needs to come out of the car out. I get the cherry picker. Johnny actually, I think he has one. He's coming right now. What the hell? Look at this thing. What is that? Jesus.
Friend, we have a cherry picker.
What the hell?
We got him over.
You ready to go to Cali?
Yeah.
All right, let's make a trip.
Let's do it.
I like how we also, the car you rented is a Mazda.
Oh yes, I made sure.
I'm like, oh, wow, that's ironic.
They were like, what kind of car do you want? And I was like, what's our options? They're naming shit. And I was like, that Mazda CX-5? I think we'll take that. They were like, oh, okay.
Oh, God.
All right, everybody. We reached the promised land. Official Mazdatrix. We're here. We got great stuff. I had to get me a jacket. It's
Let's
sexy.
see the back. Let's see. Dang, look at that. Dang.
Yeah, that's how we're doing it.
So yeah, we got some good items for sure. All the stuff's here. This will be part of just all the kits to get our car back together. Got some tools so we can rebuild motors in the future as well. And yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. Now we just gotta go back to Vegas. So my parts are really dirty, and we're gonna begin the process of cleaning them now. So I got some purple stuff. This is not a sponsored video of purple stuff, but it could be if it works. And we're gonna bucket and we're gonna pour some stuff in here. We'll let this sit for a night, and then when we come back tomorrow, hopefully we'll have some decently degreased rotors, and then we can get some really deep cleaning going on. Get in there. It's soapy. All right. Hey y'all, so we'll be streaming on Twitch a lot more often. Got a nice capture card so we can have some fun. Come on by. Love to see you there in chat. We're doing a lot of Smash. I've been doing like the past randomizers, so some older stuff. Been doing hanging out with Animal Crossing and just got the FF7 remake. So we'll be running through those. You can see it over somewhere. That one.